up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So you just got your brand new Tesla Model 3 and you're looking at accessories and the first thing you see is a wireless charger for the interior of your car. But now you start to notice that there's a lot of different brands that sell almost the same or very similar wireless chargers for your car. Brands like TapTes, NYZ, Basenor, and even Tesla sells their own wireless charger as well. I actually made another video where I compared two different versions of the wireless charger, a white one from a different brand and a black one from another brand. Check out the video above or in the description if you're interested in that video. So in this video, I have 3 different wireless chargers from Amazon, all different brands. I'm going to unbox them all, install them all, and do a comparison to see which ones are faster for charging your phone. Let's get into the video. Thanks for watching another video. If you're new here, my name is Dennis. I just got a Tesla Model 3 and I make videos about my experience, including a weekly autopilot video in Los Angeles traffic. So if you're interested in any of that, please hit that subscribe. So I have 3 different wireless chargers here, all sold on Amazon so you can get them there. I'll link them below in the description if you're interested in taking a look at the product details. The first wireless charger is by NYZ. The second one is by TapTes, and the third one is from Basenor. The difference between this third one right off the bat is this one is a white wireless charger and these other 2 are black wireless chargers. Again, I made a video where I compared the white wireless charger versus the black wireless charger in my black interior car. It seems I've only seen the white wireless charger by Basenor, so if you do have a white interior, then you are kind of forced to get the white one so you don't have that panda look. So first let's do an unboxing and then we'll go out to the car, I'll install them all, and then we'll test the charging rates using this app I found called Amperage. So the first one, we'll start with the NYZ charger. The box did come pretty beat up. That's probably not their fault. So I've been using this charger ever since I got the car, so I'm pretty familiar with it. Pretty easy to install. It actually comes with 2 of these USB extension splitter cables, and then it plugs into the back. The one thing I don't like about this exact wireless charger is that it is branded NYZ, so in the car you can kind of see that. Pretty dirty because I've been using it. It did come clean. It also comes with 2 3M sticky tapes so you can stick it to the back of your car, and then an instruction manual as well. There's the NYZ charger. The second one we'll open is the Basenor charger. Basenor has 2 versions of this charger. They have a black one and a white one. So it comes with the manual. Same thing, 2 USB extension cables or 2 USB splitters, some 3M tape, instruction manual, very similar setup. USB plugins. The one thing I liked about this one versus the NYZ charger, first off, it's not branded, as you can tell between the 2. This one has NYZ, this one doesn't, and the way that it's split is pretty nice as well. So this white one by Basenor has arrows that light up when you put your phone on either side, so it tells you which one's charging. NYZ doesn't necessarily have arrows, but it still has LED indicators for left or right for which side you're using. Besides that, kind of made out of the same material. As you can see, the NYZ is kind of flat on the edge, whereas the Basenor is kind of rounded off. So that is kind of nice. Gives it a more flush looking feel or OEM feel with the car. So the next charger is the TapTes charger. I just got this one, and this one is most probably my favorite so far, and I'll tell you why in a little bit. But you can kind of see it's very similar in terms of unboxing. Instead of the other chargers where the cords are kind of attached to the back, this one is a plug. You can unplug it if you want to. I'm not sure why you would want to do that, but they allowed you to do that. Probably because if you want to maybe charge directly, you could instead of the wireless feature, which is pretty nice, but it's a USB charger you could plug into that. Very similar as well, has USB extenders and the USB plug-in that goes to the back of the charger. Very similar to the NYZ one. It has left and right LEDs for if you want to know which side is charging. It's not branded, which I particularly like. And the one thing that the TapTes charger has that's better than both of these other chargers is it has a USB-C cable kind of tucked in and hidden away right there that you can use to charge your USB-C devices, which is really nice because I have a wireless lavalier mic that uses USB-C, and I was thinking about just buying a cable just so I could charge it in the car. But now that this TapTes wireless charger has a USB-C charger, then I don't need that at all. So that's perfect. One big thing that pretty much these other two don't have is a USB charger. So yeah, that's an unboxing between the two. I'm gonna take some closer shots of all three wireless chargers, and then we'll head out to the car, install them all, and then test the energy output of each of these wireless chargers using my phone. Okay, so right now the battery is at 25%. This is the NYZ wireless charger. We're going to go ahead and throw it on the test and see how much amperage we can get. So just finished charging. Let's see what the average amperage was. Alright, so charging high speed, 1761 charge rate. So let's go ahead and just do that again for consistency of the testing. Okay, so it just finished, and now we got a lower charging speed of only 520. So let's go ahead and swap out for the next charger and see what kind of charging levels we can get. So this is the Panda look if anyone is interested. I have the black interior with the white wireless charger. I did make a video where I compared the black versus white wireless chargers, so click above or down in the description so you can take a look. Okay, so I just drained the battery down to 25%. Gonna throw it on the charger. The second white wireless charger is by Basenor off of Amazon. It is one of their newer ones. They've sold the black one before, but then they recently just changed the coloring to the white one as well. Wow, so this one seems to be the highest one yet, a 2,549 charging speed, which is rated at high speed. So let's go ahead and test it again. Okay, so it just finished, and so yeah, that's weird. The second time we always test the charger, I guess maybe because it's at a higher battery percentage, 25 to 29%. So this time it's only 556 as a charge rate. And when the first time we did it was 2,500, give or take beforehand. So let's go ahead and try it with the third TapTes wireless charger to see if it really makes any difference. We're down to 25%. We're gonna go ahead and throw it on the TapTes wireless charger. The battery start test. Wow, so first test for the TapTes coming in at a 3,027 charging rate. So to recap, the first wireless charger was the NYZ coming in at, I believe, 1,700. The second one at 2,500, and the TapTes at a 3,000 charging rate. Let's go ahead and restart the test and see what the second test looks like. So the second test just finished. Let's see how the TapTes did. 419 on the second test. So far the TapTes has the highest speed on the first go around and then the lowest speed on the second go around. But as far as my review on all the wireless chargers so far, the TapTes is definitely my favorite because it has a USB-C charger and it doesn't have any branding on it, so it looks OEM and it looks like it's supposed to be there. The TapTes seems to be the fastest, but I'll go ahead and post all the different charging rates on the screen so you can take a look and decide on which one was the fastest between the fastest speed and the lowest speed. Maybe we take an average between the both and we see which one is the fastest. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hit that like if you enjoyed this video and comment below on which wireless charger you think looks the best and which wireless chargers you have. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. See ya!